India doesn't speak in one language, it speaks in many, often at the same time. A single message. Two languages, one expectation, instant, accurate response. But most chatbots fail here because they are designed to understand one language at a time. And that's not how India communicates. India is one of the most linguistically complex markets in the world. 22 official languages, hundreds of dialects, and millions of users switching between languages mid sentence. Let's look at the three major challenges: Hindi, where English dominates everyday conversations; Tamil, where spoken and written forms are completely different; Telugu, where dialects vary across regions. Each language brings its own complexity. Now add code switching, delivery Epo Varum. It's been 3 days. IDI correct price are. Any discount? This is normal communication in India and it breaks most AI systems. To handle this, multilingual chatbots need a completely different architecture. Detect multiple languages within a single sentence, convert Roman typing into native scripts, understand intent across languages, maintain context even when the user switches language. This is not translation. This is real-time language intelligence because users don't always type in native scripts. They type Hindi and Tamil in English letters. Mujhe refund chahiye, inaku help benum. Your AI needs to understand both. When done right, the impact is massive. Banks serve customers in their preferred language. E-commerce platforms unlock Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets. Healthcare providers reduce miscommunication because language isn't just communication, it's trust. Generic platforms translate, India-ready platforms understand. They handle dialects, context, and real conversations, not just clean textbook language. SciFuture AI's SciBot is built for this reality. It supports 70 plus languages, handles English, Tanglish, and more, understands Roman inputs, and adapts to regional dialects. So conversations feel natural, not forced. Because in India, a chatbot isn't multilingual unless it understands how people actually speak. Ready to build AI that works across India's languages? Book a free consultation with SciFuture AI and deliver experiences your customers truly connect with. Visit scifuture.ai, email us at sales@scifuture.ai, or call 0120661950 to get started today.